First five, both teams.
Talking jerseys.
Talking jerseys, players.
Kaya ayusin mo ah. Takin, takin!
Talking jerseys. Let's get it on. Alpha Marina gets the loose ball. Over to Zera. Adelana. 2 points. The first 2 points of the ball game is to Quattro Ballers. 2-0. Nasa Duran, Caballero. Volante goes nowhere. Volante scores. 4-0. Number 27 fire. Rebound Alpha Marino. Avellana. Sayale. Volante fires. In and out. Rebound number 27. Lopez. Back. Here's Bala. Bala goes all the way to 2 points. Official score is 6-0 with 9 minutes and 4 seconds remaining in the first.
Kaya pa 1 minute ah. Wala eh. Ang mga yung ginawa ngayon.
Tama lang yun para
Back to the ball game.
mabasag yung ano, yung run, yung momentum.
Hoopsters ball.
Lagyan mo ng possession dun sa right.
Hoopster receives. Caballero. Hoopster. Volante con doble. Volante doble. Riva Avellana. Avellana pushes. Riva Justo. Justo makes the move. Justo. Takes it to Lopez. Lopez. Number 27 scores. 62. Here's Bala. Being eyed by Caballero. Bala has a display. Bala scores. Plus the foul on number 4, Sagonoy. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 30, Bala. Completes the three-point play, making our official tally 9-2. Justo. 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 Over to number 27. Shilvis. Basket. Back-to-back baskets for number 27, making the tally 9-4. With 8 minutes and 9 seconds. Escobar escapes. Escobar fakes. No. Good night. Second turn. Offensive foul. On number 13, only his first personal foul.
Uy, walang team foul yun.
Pagaling ng team foul.
Caballero, being eyed by Yes, it's Justo. Justo. 14 to shoot. Foul number 9. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 29. That is only holding the jersey. That is only his first personal foul.
Second team.
Second team foul. Volante taking the penalty free throws. Trickles in, 2 out of 2 on the penalty free throw, making our official score 11-4. 14 on the shot clock. At ang mga receives. Avellana, Pumukol. Put down, Nuggets. But there is a foul downstairs on number 24, Lopez. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Avellana receives. Offensive foul on number 24.
Bilyana.
Avellana only his first personal. Lopez. Lopez. Gutierrez Besulat. Volante. But there is a blocking foul on number 29. That is his second personal foul, third team foul. 14 on the shot clock. Bala. But there's a foul downstairs called on number 27. Number 27, only his first personal foul, third team foul. Gets the basket, there's a foul on number 4, Sagonoy.
Oh, pwede mag-sub. Sagonoy, dalawa na.
Sagonoy, that is his second personal foul.
Warning na.
Warning na.
Warning for penalty.
Hoy, apat na yun.
Ayoko dyan, gawin mo na lang.
Bonus free throw or Bala?
Wala akong magagawa, walang
No
pwede.
good. Cannot complete a three-point play. White ball. Last touch on green. Gabayeron. Number 27. Lead pass to number 77. Short. Rebound Bala. Bala. Escobar. Escobar scores. Nakatupa. Tamarino. Avellana face. Volante. Tamarino. 15 on the shot clock. Rebound Volante. Touch 14. Avellana. Avellana scores. Plus a foul on number 27. That is his second personal foul penalty.
Ano, mauubos tong mga to sa foul ah.
Bonus free throw awarded to number 24, Avellana. Nothing but net. Official tally is 18-4. Here's Dandan. Dandan, Aribe. Same basketball. Last touch on green with 13 on the shot clock. 13 seconds to shoot. With 5 minutes and 43 in the first. Number 27, Pinol, Malakas. Bala, steps on the cat. Bala gets fouled.
Number
By
3.
number 3, Caballeron. Substitution.
First.
Caballeron, that is his first personal foul penalty. 2 free throws for number 30, Bala.
Tatantakan na ata ah.
Second throw is good as well. 2 out of 2 on that trip on the line for Bala, making the tally 20-4. Sagoma over to Dandan. Dandan goes up. Relax. Rebound na Tamarino. Repass to the other side. Justo. Number 27, Nakayana. Goes up. No. Put back Lopez. So, rebound na Tamarino. Quickly to Avellana. Avellana. Anticipated pass. Nakuha ni Avellana. Bala. No. Second seven. Dandan. with 18 seconds on the shot clock. 18 to shoot for Team Roosters. Rooster receives. Sabonoy fires. Rebound Nakayana. Rebound Bala. Adriana. Goes all the way. No. Escobar at 2. 22 to 4. Our official tally 4 minutes and 35. Diana. Makes up control. 22 to 6. Our official score. Marino decides to fire. Rebound Bala. Good back to set for Bala. 24 to 6. Bala. Jordan. Noble. Russo. Bala. Goes all the way to points. Lopez. At 28 now. 14 Mollers. Ganda. Logo. Escobar. Volante. Volante. Return. 28 to 6. Busto. Bubbling the ball. Busto. Gets the space. Ganda. 11 to shoot. Lopez, cross-court for Busto. Busto drives. Busto, no.
Escobar per second.
There's a foul on number 13, Escobar. That is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Tap daw, tap.
Sub. Pag pumasok.
Substitution. Tuck in jerseys. Two free throws awarded to number 29, Busto.
Pumasok. Pumasok to ya.
2 out of 2 on that triple line for Busto. Official tally is 28 to 8 with 3 minutes and 3 in the first. Volante. Volante. 2 minutes and 44. Lopez back to Sangan. Busto recovers. Busto. Being handled by 2 guys. Gives it to Sabonoy. Sabonoy. 3. 31 to 11. 20 pa rin ang halaman. Is Volante. Bala, all alone. Binibig nila Orellana shoots, no? Busto. 3 on 3. 3 on 4. Busto Perales. Lopez puts 2 points. Crossing the timeline is Alta Marino with 15 to shoot. Volante. Volante shoots. Volante! 34 to 13. Our official tally with a minute and 46. Sagona's version. Go. Rebound ng Alta Marino. Binigay kay Balang. Balang versus Blue. Balang, dire-diretso. Balang. Miller, rebound Nakayana. Nakayana steps on the gas. Nakayana goes all the way, 2 points. 34 to 14. Here's Avellana. Avellana steps back. Pulls up, malakas. Rebound Nakayana. Sabonoy. Big eye, passing to the second. The defense by Volante, 2 points. 36 to 15. Busto receives. Busto. Janjan. Nagar. Rebound Bala. Quick to Bala. Jandan. Gusto. Go.
Sub.
Substitution.
Pasok.
Rep. Pwede nga na. Pwede ba yung ano? Doon ka pipesto tapos dalawang refer dito para hindi maharangan. Pwede ba sir? Para di maharangan.
Serralda. De los Reyes. Bala. Over to Summer. Summer double the ball. Turnover. Last 15 seconds on the first. Then time. And that crosses over. Shoots. No. Sabona ready for 5 seconds. 3, 1. End of the first quarter. Official score is 36-15 in favor of Team Quattro Ballers.
Ano boss, ba't
Uy,
ganun?
bawal. Bawal ka.
Ay, nako.
Wala na sa ball.
Wala na, walang player. Tagal nyo.
Yun na. Nagsusumbol.
Game na.
Back to the ball game. Start of the second quarter. Ball possession goes to Hoopsters.
Itong jersey ni Romita.
Judge to start. Sagonoy. Sagonoy goes up. Sagonoy scores. 36-17 now. He's official foul. De los Reyes pulls up. De los Reyes. Whee! 39-17. 22 big point lead for Quattro Ballers. 9.5 to go in the second. Sagonoy's version. No. Here comes De los Reyes. Deep pass to Summer. Summer lays up. No good. Sagonoy gets the ball. Here's number 4. Number 3 rather. No. Serralda. Bala. No good. But there is a foul.
First,
On
25.
number 25, the Leon only his first personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws for number 71, Bala.
Oy, balita, kamusta?
Good on the second, 2 out of 2. Busco.
Okay lang
Busco.
nga.
Quickly to Jandan. Jandan pulls up. No. Rebound number 3. Pulled out. No good. But there is a foul call. On number 21, Summer. Only his first personal foul. First team foul.
Si Brian yun no?
2 free throws for number 3. Parang tumaba si Romnick. No good. Zero out of 2 on that trip on the line for number 3. De los Reyes. Over to Bala. Bala muscles his way. Bala comes. Pushes a foul. On
Second.
number 25. Back-to-back fouls for number 25, De Leon. Second team foul. 2 free throws for number 71, Bala. In and out of the second, splitting the charity is Bala. 42-17. Here's Agonoy over to Justo. 8.5 to go in the second. Janjan pulls up. Leon, Estrella, Lipas, Paano Justo. Justo, Binay from Gatla. Sagonoy, fires. Sagonoy, 42 to 20. 22 pa rin ang mga hagel ng Moonsters. De Los Reyes, big double, para. De Los Reyes, fakes, in and out. Offensive rebound for Bala. Over to De Los Reyes, lays up, short. Gets his own miss, second serving, is good. 2 points. 44 to 20. Here's number 3. To Janjan. De Leon. De Leon. Lays up. In and out. Rebound Bala. Quickly to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes. Lays up. No. Zerabla with an offensive board. Zerabla. It's the Estrella fires. Malakas. Rebound sa Gonoy. One ball. Substitution. Substitution.
Sa palabas isa. Labas pa isa.
Robot, first shot, no. Rebound, Summer. Estrella. Estrella, behind the back pass, over to De Los Reyes. Rebound, De Los Reyes for 2. Timeout, Team Hoopsters. Official score is 46 to 21 in favor of Port Cruzados with 7 minutes and 2 seconds in the second
Oh, Jay, kamusta
quarter.
Jay? Ano ka Jay?
Kakaut ko lang ngayon.
Ha? Sakto-sakto yung punta mo Jay. Finals. Kaya ano ngayon?
Finals ba ngayon?
Semis. Balag-balag na naman yan.
Sabi, parang kasi ni John Benjamin, kaya hindi siya nag-OT. Nanonood lang daw para makahinga.
Back to the movie.
Nanonood ka lang. Kaya ako pumunta kasi manonood lang ako.
Number 1, Estrella.
Foul number 1 Estrella, that is his first personal foul, second team foul. Sabama, another one. Number. De Los Reyes. Steps on the gas. De Los Reyes scores.
Grabe yun.
Robot, official tally is 48 to 21. 15 shoots. Ivan. Ivan. No. Rebound Estrella. Estrella over to Zerabla. In and out. El rebound Estrella. Put back. In and out. Sagonoy. No. Rebound Estrella. Estrella. Under 6 minutes remaining. Here's Bala. What was his way? Bala scores. 15 to 21. Goroban. Being double. Shoots. Scores for Goroban.
Sakto ah.
Kaya, wait lang.
De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes shoots. Malakas. Balang, back. Goroban. Goes all the way. 2 points. 15 to 25.
Dead ball pare.
Yeah. Estrella 14 on the shot clock. Zerabla now. Cross court to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes goes up. De Los Reyes coming up net.
2 points.
2 to 25.
Just lang.
Goroban. Rebound. Summer. Left pass to Estrella. Estrella drives. Nugget. Rebound number 3. O number 4 rather. Janjan. 4 on 2. Janjan pulls up. Nugget. Rebound number 3. Loses handle.
30 seconds!
Substitution.
Pasok ko.
Bala. Volante. Avellana. Over to the other Bala, number 71. Good defense by number 3. Turnover.
Solid yung lineup na yun ah.
Backless. Agaw. Turnover. Volante. Volante. Over to the Slayers. No. Rebound. Gorobat. Recovered by Volante. Over to Avellana. But there is a blocking foul on number 10, Backless. Only his first personal foul, third team foul. Balang, no. Second survey is good for Balang. That's number 3. Number 19, Ivan. Loses handle, recovers. Kick out, Gorobat. Alone, Gorobat. 3! 54-28. Avellana. Tipsy new layup, made it out. Gets his own miss. Kick out to the Slayers. De Los Reyes. Keeper, De Los Reyes, with top, no. Double in number 3. Gives it to number 19, Gorobat. Number 19 steps on the gas. Block. Gets the ball. Naagaw sa Luyan. Bala over to the other Bala. Bala. No good. Number 71 Bala. But there is a foul. Substitution.
Second.
There's a foul on number 3. That is his second personal foul.
Third.
13 foul. 2 free throws awarded
Ah,
to number 71 Bala. Good on his first is Bala.
pumasok ba?
Substitution.
Pangalawang team na to. First pa lang.
Backless being guarded by Volante. Over to Ivan. Kabigin. But there is a foul caught
Escobar.
downstairs on number 13, Escobar. Escobar, that is his
Third na, third.
third personal foul, 13 foul.
Tatlo na yan si Escobar.
14 on the shot clock. Ivan takes the shot, shoots. Malakas, rebound Nakayana. Nakayana, fadeaway. Way out, rebound Bala. Lead pass to Volante. Volante spins, Volante shoots, short. Rebound Bala. But there is a foul
Volante.
on number 7, Volante. Volante, only his first personal foul, warning for penalty. Tales, eye to eye with Volante. Gives it to Gorobat. Gorobat, kick out. Kabigin, takes, drives, shoots, he serves. 2 points for Ivan Kabigin, 55-30. 2 minutes. Offensive board, Bala, powers his way. But
Ivan.
there is a foul on number 19.
Time out.
Timeout, Team Hoopsters.
Time Ban first.
Kabigin only his first personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Ban, isa ka na ban ha. Game na. Uy.
Two free throws for number 30, Bala.
Kulang kasi sila ng umpisa eh, no? First quarter.
Naglaro na ba naman nila, boss?
Naglaro yan last game.
Second throw on the way. Short, splitting the charities Bala. 1-2, 56 to 30. Ivan, drives, short. Avellana steps on the gas. Over to Volante, in and out. Rebound number 15. No good. Volante, second turn, no good. Put out two for Avellana. Higher the sky play. 58 to 50. A minute and 20. Turnover. Rescue between Nakres and Gorobat.
Kaya pamunas ka na. Wet na wet, rep. Wet na wet.
Nireklamo sila eh. Magbigyan.
Lapitan nyo yung nagdadala ko yan.
Nakayana goes all the way. No, rebound Gorobat. Put back two. No good. Rebound at Tamarina. At Tamarina is zero. Gorobat shoots. No good. Rebound Nakayana. Nakayana shoots. Nakayana scores. 50 seconds to go in the second quarter. 58 to 32. Volante. Bala. No. Rebound Volante. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Avellana all alone. Fakes. Behind the back. Shoots. No. Rebound number 14. Plus 14. Bala. Bala. No. No good. Rebound Avellana.
Ay, bala, shut up!
Okay, last 10 seconds. Turnover. Now na, Volante. End of the second quarter. Official score is 58 to 32 in favor of Team Montrebalers.
Nakasungkit ko mo. Napapahala na lang. Panakita ko na pinamahala naman. Sa akin ay bahala ka kahit mo. Sa akin ay pinabasa kung ikaw. Peace to you.
Let's go! Come on! Ha? Baklin! Mag-box out ka! Itulak mo palabas.
Back to the ball game.
Saan ka rin bola? Violet. Ay,
Start of our third quarter.
Green.
Ilipat mo na sa kabila.
Altamarino to start the third. Gives it to Avellana. Altamarino. Volante. Go. Rebound. Avellano tries. No. Rebound. Douglas. Douglas. Over to Taligid. Goes out. Malakas. 4 ballers ball. Alta Marino. Crossing the timeline. Number 14. Niagara. Over to Bala. Bala. Ay with Samoy. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Or 14 on the shot clock. Niagara. No. Rebound Samoy.
Shot clock, shot clock, shot clock.
Douglas.
Turnover lang.
Short. Rebound Samoy.
Eh, defense na!
Goroba drives. Short. Alta Marino goes. Quickly to Volante. Volante. In and out. Put back for nearby. Good. 60-32. Goroba. Being eyed by Volante. Over to Douglas. Another one. No. Rebound Volante. Here comes the Boston Ballers. Over to Avellana flies. White
Isa lang, isa
ball.
lang. Dalawa sa port.
Douglas. Under 8 minutes. Samoy. Step back three. Short. But there is a foul on number 19.
Second.
That is his second personal foul. First team foul.
Ban, dalawa na yan, Ban.
Avellana. In the middle. Niebla. Big guy. Kick out. Veronica. 63-32. Janjan sa middle. Taligid. Over to Samoy. Wala. Rebound Niebla. The big guy. Niebla. Follows the ball. That pass. Turnover. Substitution. Substitution.
Lumabas.
Janjan at the top of the key. Sabone recovers, gives it to Justo. Justo makes his move. Number 3, easy 2 points. 63-34. Our official tally with 7 minutes and 1 second remaining in the third. Balang, number 30, Balang over to Guerra, fakes. Back to Balang, fakes, drives, shoots, good. Balang, second serve. Balang, a 3-second in the key. Turnover.
Bijay Rep!
Janjan, lead pass number 3. Number 3, short turnover. Again, took it to another. But there is a foul
First.
on number 14.
14.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution.
Pagod si Balang.
2 free throws.
Oh,
one
pagod
to number
pala.
19.
Robot, pasok ka na. Kayong dalawa ni Douglas.
Utang ng mga iba. Sabda, wala tayo. Nasod. Nag-live. Nasod.
Dapat di kayo nagpapalit eh.
Offensive rebound. No good.
Pasok kayo.
Substitution.
Ban, tira na ban.
Palitan nyo muna sa Sagonoy.
De los Reyes. Over to Alta Marino. Over to Avellana. How long is Avellana? Malakas. Gets the rebound. Nieva. But there is a foul
14.
on number 14. Nieva, that is his second personal foul. Second team foul. Janjan receives the ball. Signals the play. Gives it to Ivan. Ivan drives baseline. Passes his way. Shoots. Basket is good for number 19. 63 to 56. Elos Reyes. Over to Balang. Balang goes up. No. Rebound Nieva. The big guy. Nieva scores.
Kaya yung Hansa.
Number 3, Sagono, all sa corner. In and out, rebound Janjan. Nawala ang bola. Recovered by Kapagino. Nakuha ni Janjan. Janjan shoots. Over. Takes the shot. Here's Emiliano from one. Nieva! Nieva scores! Timeout, the Woopsters. Official score is 67 to 36 with 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining in the third in favor of Cuatro Bowlers.
Ngayon pa lang, dapat taw-tawin nyo. Hindi nila kaya.
Hindi nila kaya.
Back to the ball game.
Hindi nila kaya sana. Bilis din.
Douglas crossing the timeline safely. Gives it to De Leon. De Leon plays. De Leon drives. De Leon plays. 2 points.
Ano ba na yun?
67 to 38. Elos Reyes. Serale. Nieva. Napagkan. Nakuha ni Goroban. Goroban. Nieva. Goroban. Over to Douglas. Bubbles the ball. Douglas shoots. Malakas. Rebound Goroban. Back on the Nieva. But there is a foul on number
Balang.
71, Balang. Only his first personal foul, third team foul.
Dapat ikaw pinasok nyo. Dapat ikaw pumasok. Kaya nga. Yan, 27. Mamaya ka na pag natambakan ka lalo.
Rebound, Zerala. Quickly to De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes drives baseline, 15 minutes on Douglas. Nakakagod ni Goroban. Save. Last touch on Green. 22 seconds on the shot clock. Substitution. Substitution. Number 3, Douglas. Goroban pulls up. Malakas. Rebound, De Los Reyes. Quickly to Avellana. Steps on the gas. Flies high. No, blocked. Takayana gets the ball. Takayana. Makes his move. Takayana scores.
Sabi
67-40. Still in the lead is Cuatro Bowlers with 3 minutes and 47 remaining in the third. Zarabla. De Los Reyes. Top of the key. Bala. No. Rebound Goroban. Goroban steps on the gas. Goroban. Out to Douglas. 15 on the shot clock. Douglas lane. No. Rebound. Avellana. With Evans. Ligas. Bala. De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes all the time in the world. Short. Look back for Zarabla is there. 69 to 14. Ivan drives baseline, shoots. Basket is good.
Saan daw ah?
Substitution.
Butata si Avellana.
17 on the shot clock.
Jelly pa eh.
De Los Reyes. Lead pass Estrella. Estrella over to Zeralda. De Los Reyes fakes. Finishes the foul. On number 27,
Second.
Nakayana. That is his second personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws awarded to number 26, De Los Reyes.
Pasok. Pwede na sumama sa league ko, malakas
Second
ah.
throw for De Los Reyes on the way. It's good as well. Substitution.
Score.
Official score is 71 to 42 with 2 minutes and 29. In the third quarter, here's Naples. Over to Goroban. Goroban drives in the middle, loses the ball. Now one is Zeralda. Quickly to Bala. Bala. Lays up for two. 73 to 42. Naples now. Big double. Number 3 tries a triple. Number 3. 73 to 45. Under 2 minutes remaining in the third. Estrella. De Los Reyes looks at the clock. 13 to shoot.
Robert!
White.
White ball.
Finals ah! Final na tayo eh. Nakasalo mo, makabuta na tayo doon na kanila. Pangalawa na.
White ball.
Mayabangan naman natin si Guy. Lalo yung mga laki mo. Oy, sino yung araw? Okay, ang dami.
Naples at the top of the key. Fires. Rebound Esteban. Lead pass Bala. Now. Goroban. Lays up. No good. Rebound Ivan. Fades. Shoots. No good. Gets the miss. Same basketball with 16 seconds on the shot clock. Ivan. 2 points. 73 to 47. Targeted at 8.
Score.
In the third quarter.
49 bro.
Behind by 2 guys. De Los Reyes. Kick out Zeralda. Over to Escobar. 10 on the shot clock. No. Rebound possession.
Jumble. Green yung kanina. Lipat mo na sa white. Oh.
13 on the shot clock. Zeralda pulls out. Rebound number 3. Nakayana behind the back. Nakayana scores. 73 to 49. De Los Reyes. Escobar. Blocked. Get that out of here. Number 19 on the way. But there is a foul on number 22, Zeralda.
First.
Only his first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 free throws awarded to number 19, Kavigin.
Late na kasi kayo nagdati yan eh. Late na.
Makinang po ba?
Malas pa si Ivan.
Sasabihin, ba't kayo nagpatamok? Tayo lang malalaki.
Second throw is good for Ivan, making the tally 73 to 50. Last 18 seconds. Zeralda behind by Naples. 12 seconds to go. Bala. No, rebound. Ivan, 5 seconds. Nakagawa. End of the third quarter. to 15 in favor of Cuatro Bowlers.
Ipinasa ni Ivan.
Oo, lead pass yun. Lead pass.
Fast break, Ivan.
Hindi, sige. Sa babae. Ang nag-dribble na ako. Hindi nakatingin sa frustration.
Kaya pa yun, no? 23. Man to man kayo.
23.
L. Subukan nyo magman. Subukan nyo magman to man. Kaya yan eh.
Back to the ball game, start of our fourth quarter. Ito pa lang po ang unang game ng playoffs game day natin. Meron po pong second game between Team Panthers and Team RBJ.
Isang game lang yan.
Backless to start the four. Goroba fires a triple. In and out. Liga Tierra. But there is a foul.
Lopez.
Number 24, Lopez. That is his second personal foul. First team foul. Altamarino. Bringing out the basketball. Gives it to Bala. 15 on the shot clock. Balang tries. Basket is good. Plus a foul.
Number 10. Duckless.
Number 10, Douglas. That is his first personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 30, Bala.
Ba't nyo nilabas yung ano? Isang malaki nyo. Nilabas yung ano?
Cannot complete the three-point play is Bala. Our official tally is still at 7-5 Good defense by Mariana. Whatever the goal. Whatever. Sabay. Ivan, 2 points. 75-52. Altamarino, and Will Cabana. Good defense. Ivan. But there is a blocking foul on number 24, Avellana.
Second.
Avellana, that is his second personal foul, first team foul.
Balik nyo yung mga
20 seconds on the shot clock. 20 to shoot.
Coach, may coach.
Number
Yun o,
9,
balik yun o.
Ivan shoots short. Rebound. Volante recovers. Goroba fires a triple. Goroba. Timeout. Team Cuatro Bowlers. Official score is 75-55 in favor still of Cuatro Bowlers with 8 minutes and 34 in the fourth and final quarter. Back to the ball game.
Ayos na yan. Ayos na yan, El! Pwede na yan.
Ba't may coach ba dyan? Nasa coach ba pinaka-grade? Di ba naka-grade? Di ba naka-grade yan? Ginagawa pa ako yan.
Volante.
Hey! Power lang yan!
Balance. Tierra. 50 on the shot clock. Douglas. Yerjan. Avellana pa rin. Loses the ball. Altamarino recovers. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Tierra. Tierra shoots. Tierra scores. 79-55. number 77 over to Ivan. Kick out to Gorobat. Gorobat fires. Rebound Mara. Atamarino steps on the pass. The play is a kick ball violation. Substitution. Timeout Team Hoopsters. Official score is 79-55 in favor of Quantum Rose with 7 minutes and 27 seconds remaining in the fourth. To be exact,
Nabaon sila ng 20.
427 seconds remaining in the game. Back to the moment. Fifteen seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds to shoot for Quattro Ballers. Bala. 10 seconds. Bala into the hole. 81-55. Here's Ira. Volante. Brings up. 83-55. It's 7 minutes remaining. Bala. Arellano gives you 85-55. Our official tally. Rapids. Pulled up. Airball. Ira for that 2 points. 85-57. 6
Kompleto lang sana sila first quarter eh.
Volante.
Hindi rin kaya.
Avellana. 12 to shoot. Volante. 8 on the shot clock. Fires. Airball. Substitution.
Meron! Dalawa pa!
Tackless with high by Avellana. Sa corner, Gorobat. Short, rebound, Ivan. Ivan fakes. Nakagawa ni Gusto. Backcourt violation. Turnover. Avellana looks at the clock. Over to Bala. Bala, eye to eye with Ivan, being given a hit. Bala muscles his way, kick out. Nierva the big guy. Good. Rebound Douglas. Lead pass Justo. Justo to Ivan, number 19, to number 3. Romney, no. Number 3, Wala. Get back out of here.
Laki! Mahaba!
12 seconds on the shot clock.
Mahaba eh.
12 seconds to shoot for Houston.
Mahaba.
Douglas, hindi lapit. Lays out, overcooks the layup. Romney, no good. Rebound Douglas. Doon natin doon, Nierva. But here is a foul on number 3.
First.
That is his first personal
Second.
foul. Second team foul.
Second pa lang yan. Second team pa lang. Yun magandang laban na third game. Oh, ayun yung center nyo. Dumating oh.
Avellana being given a pick. Pick and roll doesn't work. Douglas, he on the break. Douglas, flies high, never. Rebound Justo. Justo over to number 3, 2 points. Altamarino receives the ball. Altamarino over to Nierva. Loses handle, turnover. Douglas.
lock. 14-14. Natutulala si Toto eh. Agaw, agaw, agaw. Naagawin.
87-59.
Naagaw, naagaw.
Backlash. Number 3 pulls up. Short. Rebound Avellana. Avellana steps on the gas. No. Pushed over the board. 4 minutes and 7. Ivan take out to Gorovan. All on for 3. Gorovan! 87-62. Under 4 minutes remaining in the game. 87-62. Mierda spins. But there is a pushing foul on number 14, Mierda. That is his third personal foul, second team foul.
Sub.
Sub daw, sub.
Substitution.
Wala pa naman clear possession kanina eh.
Nagagawan na yun, nagagawan.
Backlash. Being defended by Avellana. Ivan. Giants baseline. Reverse layup is no good. Rebound Bala. Bala. De los Reyes. De los Reyes. Kick out to Bala. Save basketball.
14-14.
14 on the shot clock.
Sub, sub.
Substitution. Avellana looks at the clock. 9 to shoot. Avellana drives. Lays up. 2 points. 89-62 with 3 minutes exactly remaining. Gorovan pulls up. Gorovan 3! 89-65. De los Reyes being counted by Gorovan. De los Reyes. Avellana looks at the clock. 14 on the shot clock. Avellana. Avellana. Kick out. Altamarino. All low. Short. Gorovan steps back on the triple. No. Rebound Bala. Avellana wisely using the clock. Altamarino. 12 seconds. Logan. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Logan. Altamarino receives to a ball. Over to Avellana.
Yan na, next game na.
15 seconds. Altamarino. Altamarino pa rin. 6 seconds. De los Reyes. 2 points. 91-65. Douglas. Douglas. Miller.
Wait lang, si El.
And the ball game. Official score is 91-67. And your winner, finals round, Quattro Rollers.
Makaling ka kay Romnick, pag sinabi yung ano, okay na.